large in number, and without any much prior notice and prior preparation. I just a few days before he told me that you have to be here for some time, and of course I didn't know that what kind of discussion likely to take place. It is a really great contribution if we revisit our history and make it relevant and see where we have gone wrong. If we were in a position to conquer Gandhi, Ladakh, and what wrong happened that today we are not in a position to control Kashmir. And of course, wonders have already taken place, but a few things really I share with you. There are very limited handicaps with us, but somehow we are not managing it. For example, language. I happened to visit recently Korea and China also, and I found that the entire education system in their own mother tongue, that is local language, and they have won over the barrier of language. China, for example, I visited the library, interacted with the faculty members, and I found because eager to know what is in commerce and management, and I found the top class literature available any part of the world they have translated into Chinese language. And so is true in Korea, that the people above 50 years age, they may not be knowing English, but now their children have started learning English, and they have translated the same kind of literature into their local language. The top class university of Korea, so see the privatization, the top class university of Korea has been taken by Samsung. So when our public system is failing, so we have to look into why not the private hands come forward and bridge the system. So it is in this context that such kind of deliberations very, very useful for understanding our own culture, understanding our own richness, and identifying our loopholes and lapses. Another thing I would like to share with you, because prominent citizens of the city here present, see where our children going today. That when we conducted the entrance test, we find that just 1/5 of them qualified. Why it is? When we compare the performance of the children from the valley, that despite disturbance in the entrance test, doing very well. I remain in this state, this is my first time experience, for more than 2 years, that whenever there is a strike, whenever disturbance happens there, but as far as examination is concerned, of course, during these days, the universities closed, colleges closed. But during that time, number of strikes used to be there. But as far as the competitive examinations are concerned, like engineering, the competitive examination for admission to engineering, for medical, and for B.Ed and other examinations, they are not on strike. Even during curfew time, admit card is taken as a curfew pass. But I find my own children from this reason that always in search of excuse. When tough examination, out of syllabus. When there is a strike and transport, we will reach the center. Now here comes the responsibility of all Dogras to control your children, where they are going. I am sharing with you my first hand experience here on the campus, particularly the hostel life. The kind of things that we find around the hostel, really eye-openers, that we are not controlling our children. Of course, it is our responsibility as an educational institution, after they come from the colleges and from the homes to the educational institution, it is our responsibility. But at the same time, they need to be groomed properly. They need to be taken care of very, very means in a planned manner. Just in a sister university here, there is a rule that none can drink on the campus. What to talk of faculty, what to talk of faculty members, what to talk of the students. Means it is a guideline, it is a rule. Everywhere, no one can drink. And after 10 and 11, you look around the hostels. Will it be possible? Can we have the policing force to control the conduct of the student? Of course, from where they are coming. Now, of course, in that university, as university I am talking about, that some student found drunk. elections, and they started running here and there and brought all kind of pressures that led those students be reinstated. Of course, being a student, being a teacher, I understand that students be given the opportunity to come out this type of bad habits, but that university didn't reinstate them. Now, why I'm citing such example with you? We are parents, we have the children, and we have to take care of their education only when we really nourish them. So these are the few examples that Dogras have to look towards their own culture, their own language, their own children, their own educational institution and social life. I'm very sorry that I came out of a meeting. I have another meeting is waiting for me because I didn't know that with such a short time a huge audience would be available. I'm really sorry I came late also. For that matter also I'm very sorry, and I wish all the success for this seminar, and I congratulate Madam Manu Luria that she has taken up the lead, because seminars in academics are different kind of seminars. Here only not just speech, here comes with the facts, with the data, with some primary information from the archives, the information from the library, and then those writings and those presentations and proceedings, they are useful for our students, for our other scholars, for our faculty members, because faculty members' promotion and advancement, it is possible only when that the seminar really will be legal in the form of publication. So I wish and request the history department, let in a much more well-planned, organized seminar in future. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for this small gathering. Thank you so much.
And it's high time. And I just wanted to share that he had also language. And I was sharing with her a Facebook anecdote.
Seminar of first of its kind, and it is revisiting the history of Dogras in the name of Voice of Dogras, and one NGO has taken up the lead and involving the our faculty members and research scholars. And of course we have to understand where we have gone wrong, that we are lagging behind in many respects, and this seminar will prove to be useful in identifying our strengths and weaknesses and working out the strategy accordingly. Thank you.